Shannon Healy. I'm with Sanitaire, part of Bissell. We're here at the ISSA show, and we've got a full booth showing all our innovation. As you may know, Bissell Commercial and Sanitaire are one company now, so we have products from both brands here today that everybody is seeing, from cordless backpacks to sweepers to robotics to steam cleaning. So if you turn around this way, I'll show you a few of the key products. So come on down here through some of the folks. We've got these sweepers here by Bissell Commercial that pick up all kinds of cans, debris, parking lots, stadiums, that kind of thing. If we come around the corner, we're launching into some robotics, so we're testing those out today and showing those to our customers. And then down on the end, we've got our cordless rope, a cordless backpack, and we just added a corded version, lightweight, a really great fit, good run time, great price points. These have been really popular in the BSC communities, these cordless backpacks. In addition to all these products, we have all kinds of uprights, corded, cordless, different applications for portable floor care cleaning. So thanks for stopping by the Sanitaire booth and the Bissell Commercial booth, and any questions, reach out and let us know.